Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Dishawn here at DTI Information Network. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a special bank that's probably listed in a city near you. That is City National Bank. City National Bank is a subsidiary of RBC, which is Royal Bank of Canada. This bank has some really great products in the form of loans that I think you want to be able to take advantage of if you're into commercial real estate, if you're into having your own business, and if you are looking to acquire to get your own home, this is the bank that you're going to want to use to be able to build yourself up a relationship with to get some of their products. Today's video, I'm going to show you what I like about their loans. I'm going to show you some of their home equity lines of credit that I also like that I think you could really take advantage of. This is the kind of bank where you get business lines of credit, BLOCs. They go up super high. I'm going to share with you guys this inside of this video so you can actually start building your relationship with a bank like this. The first thing I want to show you guys is who they serve, right? So this bank caters to anybody who's in the entertainment industry, attorneys and law firms, commercial real estate, which we stress so heavily on this channel. If you have a restaurant and you have food and beverage, this is your bank. This is where you want to come to. If you are a franchisee, this is where you want to come to. If you're into healthcare, this is where you want to come to. So nonprofits are also who they like to be able to serve. Okay. And if you have a property management company or an HOA, this is a great bank. A lot of times we structure our businesses, if you are a real estate investor, as a property management company because you have to manage your company. You have to manage your real estate, right? And if you go in as a realtor or if you go in as a real estate investor, a lot of times you could get disqualified for a lot of the lending products that the bank offers. But you go in as a property management company and banks like this will be willing to lend to you. They'll see the income coming in from your monthly statements, and they will actually like that and want to lend to you. All right. So then there's renewable energy. So if you're into solar, this is the bank you want to go to. Technology, a lot of new software companies coming out. This is it. If you're a title and escrow company, this is it. So I just wanted to start off by showing you that part because it's very important to know what your bank's flavor is. Every bank has their own vibe of what industries they like to serve. Some industries will like to serve more risky categories. Some industries want to be very conservative and stay away from those. So knowing what vibe your bank is and what industries they like to serve will let you know if that's a bank you want to build a relationship with. So right now, it's very important that we build relationships with these banks before we go out and ask for their funding. They are really tightening up on lending right now. So knowing this kind of information and also knowing some data points is going to be your best friend when you're trying to get lending. All right. So the next thing I want to show you guys is their checking accounts. What I like about it is they're very easy to build out a checking account. So let me show you here. Look. They have as little as $25 of a monthly maintenance fee, but you can get the monthly maintenance fee waived. No monthly maintenance fee when you have a direct deposit, right? So make sure you put in direct deposit. You can get it waived. If you have a savings or a money market account, no City National Bank fee for ATM withdrawals at non-City National banks. In just a minute, I'm going to show you what states this bank actually services. So to see if it's in a bank near you, they're all across the nation. And I'm going to show you, they're very highly stressed in California, I will say, but I'm going to show you that all the way from California all the way over to the East Coast, you're going to be able to find this bank. All right. So being able to get one of their banking accounts is very easy, and you just have to do something like direct deposit. And then on this one, on this side over here, you can actually have a preferred banking relationship with complementary wealth planning. So if that's something that you're into right now, this is the bank that you're going to want to use for that. All right. So now I want to show you the business side of things because this is what I really like. So if you are looking to get a personal mortgage, this is a really good bank to be able to have. They have mortgages that you can get up to $20,000 towards a home purchase or refinance with their Ladder Up program that they have. This is really good, but let's start showing you what they have as far as their different loans that they have. So they have loan down payments as low as 3%. So this is really good. And so they have interest only loans, they have fixed mortgage loans, they have jumbo loans. Their jumbo loans go all the way up to $10 million. So this is a really good bank for their mortgage loans. What I like most about this bank is they also offer lines of credit on the personal side. They also they offer personal loans, personal lines of credit, um, and they also offer business loans and business lines of credit. So you can get a lot of different perks. What we like about this bank is for home equity lines of credit. They have some really great options for home equity lines of credit. This is where you can take the money out of your home, the equity, that the money out of your home, and take this money and use it like a line of credit where you only charge interest on the money that you use, right? So home equity lines of credit are very, very powerful debt weapons to be able to use when you're trying to build out your portfolio as far as real estate. If you're trying to buy a business, they can be very helpful as well. They can give you that down payment money or that gap of money that you'll need when you're trying to get the SBA loans, Small Business Association loans. And we'll go into that in just a minute as well. But I was just letting you know that they have personal loans and lines of credit that go up to $1 million. So they have a lot of money to be able to lend out. So let me go into the business lines of credit and the business loans. So let's talk about SBA, because a lot of people on the internet right now, a lot of them gear a lot of the information towards getting credit cards and getting some lines of credit. But we want to build our companies up so that your company can be able to get massive amounts of capital. And all you have to do is structure your business out correctly. And then you're going to be able to take advantage of some of these very low interest rate loans, like a small business administration loan that they have to offer. And some banks offer these SBA loans that are just amazing. These SBA loans, like a 504 loan program that they have, this bank right here, this lending program here, you only have to put down 10%. So let's say you're trying to get a business, you're trying to acquire a business, because we talk a lot about business acquisition. So you're trying to acquire a business and the business is 2.5 million, right? Well, you only have to come in with 250,000, and then this program will then finance the rest. So it'll be a low down payment of only 10% down. So you bring in 250,000, and then they're giving you 2.5 million over the course of a long term, like 28 years, 30 years. So it's a very, very powerful thing to be able to do. Even if you're trying to buy real estate or equipment, this program can be really good to you. Then they also have the SBA 7A loan programs. This one goes up to $5 million, and they're only requiring that you put down 15%, and then the government will back 85%. So this is a really, really great program to also take advantage of. You just have to position yourself correctly, and you have to be able to make sure you have a business plan, certain things like that. If you want to know more information about how to get qualified for these type of loans, go ahead on, hit the link in the description where we're talking about in our school group where we can help you and we can have conversations that's going to be able to help you get qualified for this type of loan program. There is also something very quick that you can get. It's an SBA Express program. They offer that at this bank as well. This is where you can borrow up to 500,000, but maybe it's like 200,000 that you want to get. Well, they'll have you can get up to 500,000. The government's going to back 50% of that, and then you can get other type of loans to be able to fill in to get you to qualify for the rest. Like you can get a line of credit that goes a line of credit with this kind of money for 1 to 7 years, and then you can also get a loan for 5 to 25 years. So another great program to be able to take advantage of that this bank offers. Now, let's talk about what I like, their business line of credit. To me, a business line of credit is probably the best debt weapon that I see out there. Unlike the home equity line of credit, the home equity line of credit is really great too if you have equity in your home. But then you could also, put yourself in a situation where maybe if the actual endeavor that you took on didn't work out so well and you're stuck with that debt, and a home equity line of credit can hurt you because a home equity line of credit will hurt against your personal credit if you're keeping a large amount of utilization revolving on that account. So you have to be very careful with a home equity line of credit, where on the contrast, why we're always teaching you guys to go with business credit. If you get a business line of credit, it's not going to affect your personal credit, and you can still carry that debt, and you're only being charged interest on the amount that you used. At this particular bank here, they're offering you a business line of credit that goes all the way up to $1 million. They have lines that start at $250,000 of business lines of credit. This is a really great deal. And if you build out the relationship, you don't even have to have a relationship with them. You can qualify to get this product. But if you do build out a relationship with them, you get a 25% discount for taking advantage of this type of loan product. They have interest-only monthly payments. That means your payments will be extremely low when you're making your payments back to satisfy any outstanding debt that you have on your account. So I really like this product here. And then they also have this product, which is their basic business builder. In their basic business builder, they have unsecured lines that go up, that start at 10,000 and go up to 250,000 with interest only payments as well, and no predetermined term. So it's not a predetermined set of years that you have to have on this particular line of credit. So really, really great products here, guys. 2 options for really great business lines of credit. All right. What I also like is that on their business lines of credit, they also make sure you get a dedicated relationship manager. This is very crucial, guys. Do not go into having banking relationships without being able to have a relationship manager. Relationship managers are the key to you getting larger lines of credit, larger amounts of money, and they really do help you in your business and showing you how to grow your business and grow your relationship with that particular bank. So I highly recommend you guys do that. Okay, so if you're looking to build out a relationship with this particular bank, I want to show you that they are listed in California with 53 different branches there. They're all the way on the East Coast in Massachusetts. They're in the middle in Tennessee. They also have Nevada, Delaware, Virginia, New York, Florida. They even have a branch, Georgia, Pennsylvania, and Washington, D.C. So they are not geo-restricted. They are all across the nation. They are limited in the amounts of places that they're at, but you can definitely build a relationship with them, especially if you're in one of these particular states. I highly recommend, if you're in California, you guys take a close look at this bank, because when it comes to loans, they give out large amounts. When it comes to lines of credit, they give out large amounts. And I really believe that this bank is going to be a bank that's going to help you build out your business and build out your ability to be able to acquire businesses. So as you know, we're helping you with your personal credit, we're helping you with your business credit, and we're helping you find banks that have good products for you to be able to acquire real estate and acquire assets like businesses. So this is a bank that we highly recommend that you guys take advantage of, and just taking a look at it and building out a relationship with them. If you want to know more information about this particular bank, or if you want to know more information about how to qualify for some of these type of lending products, we have a great business credit program we would love to introduce you to. Or you could just come to our network of people who also are all talking about some of the same things that we have gathered together in a group called a school group community. The link is in the description below. Highly recommend you guys come over on that side and join us. We're opening up to the rest of the public here in just a few weeks. We had a little bit of a waiting list as we put some courses in there. We're putting some free courses inside of there, free resources for you guys as well. So if anything, come over there and just take all that free information. And then if you want to work with us on a more personal level, we'll also give you that opportunity to do that as well. All right, so that's it for me on this video. If this is a new bank you didn't know about and I dropped some information that might be interesting to you, all I ask is that you hit the like button or subscribe to the channel, or do both. It all works out best for us and the algorithm and for you, because we want to continue to pour into you and give you as much information as we can at DTI Information Network. Thanks again for stopping by. See you on the next one. Peace.